To meet the needs of modern industrial production techniques, Gesipa developed the GAV, the world's most efficient and successful fully automatic blind riveting unit. The GAV consists of a mobile console unit and an easy-to-use riveting tool, connected by a flexible feeding hose. The console unit contains a pneumatic control system, hydraulic pressure transmitter, and blind rivet feed unit. When operating the tool, a blind rivet is set and the spent mandrel is ejected into the mandrel container, as the next rivet is positioned in the nose piece. This schematic diagram shows how the GAV works. After release, a blind rivet is fed by compressed air into the tool and is held in position inside the spreader nose piece by the rivet spring. The plunger system is brought into end position by oil pressure. The oil pressure is reversed. The plunger system moves forward by means of compressed air. The rivet spring is pressed and allows the rivet to pass into the jaw mechanism. A second hydraulic system admits air to the pressure plunger and activates the unlocking of the nose piece. The blind rivet is pushed by the mandrel control rod through the nose piece, which is then closed again by the pressure plunger. The tool is operated and oil pressure causes the plunger system to retract. This movement sets the blind rivet. The spent mandrel is ejected by compressed air, and at the same time the next blind rivet is positioned in the nose piece. Perfection of blind riveting is achieved by blind rivets with specially prepared mandrels and the GAV, which only requires compressed air and a power supply. The performance and reliability of the GAV are proved daily in many different sectors of industry. Using the GAV, all Gesipa blind rivets from 2.4 to 6 millimeters in diameter, in all materials and with shank lengths up to 25 millimeters can be set. And the unit can be converted easily for setting other rivet lengths and diameters. The GAV unit can be installed in a variety of modes, either stationary, mobile, or as an integral part of a fully automated production line.
Since the introduction of the automatic blind riveting unit GAV, working conditions have become more beneficial to the operator, and a productivity increase of about 50% has been achieved.
This direct comparison with conventional blind riveting tools demonstrates the economic advantages of the GAV automatic blind riveting unit. Increased productivity is achieved because of the remarkable speed of rivet setting. Up to 50 rivets a minute. An added advantage is that special training isn't necessary because the GAV is so easy to use.
We have been using Gesipa blind riveting for quite some time with great success. In comparison with the previous use of screws, we have found the following advantages. First, a constant tight connection between heatsink and printed circuit board. Second, no tooling time, as fixtures are unnecessary. Third, a substantial increase in efficiency. And fourth, no tooling at all, as needed previously when using screws.
Customer satisfaction and confidence are the result of the solutions developed by us for their unique problems. These solutions are incorporated into our comprehensive service. Gesipa automatic blind riveting is the key to many new riveting applications. This flexible and unique innovation ensures that blind rivets are used as economically as possible.